Hey guys, welcome back to Delph and today I will be showing you how to hide active status on Instagram. So, first is you can just simply go ahead and open up your Instagram application into your device. And now, here, you can just simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, over here, once you have on your profile page, we just simply select the menu icon, which is the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and it will redirect you to the settings and activity. Now, guys, over here, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see over here how others can interact with you category. And you will have an option over here messages and story replies. So go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you will have an option show activity status on the who can see your online category, which is the second one. And from here, as you can see, you will have an option to show activity status. So guys, if you want to hide your activity status, make sure that this is turned off in order for you to hide your activity status, meaning that people won't be able to see when you are active or when were you are last active on the Instagram application into your device. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.